Hello everyone, my name is Michael, and today I'm going to explain to you how you can mine Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies from the comfort of your own home in 6 easy steps. The first step of Bitcoin mining from your own home is understanding what Bitcoin mining is. So let's talk a little bit about what Bitcoin mining actually is. Bitcoin mining is the process of validating transactions on the Bitcoin network and adding them to the blockchain. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical equations, and in return, they're rewarded with newly minted Bitcoins and transaction fees. If you need a more in depth explanation of Bitcoin mining, please click on the video in the description before moving on. Our second step for mining Bitcoin at home is getting the right hardware. While it's technically possible to mine Bitcoin using your computer's CPU, it's not very efficient. Instead, you'll want to use a specialized piece of hardware called an ASIC miner. ASIC stands for Application Specific Integrated Circuit, and these miners are specifically designed to mine Bitcoin. There are different manufacturers of ASIC miners and many different models. It's important to research the models and brands of miners so you can find the one that works best for you. After you have chosen your hardware, you'll need to choose a mining pool. A mining pool is a group of miners who work together to solve blocks and share the rewards. This is important because it increases your chances of earning a steady income from mining. Some popular mining pools include NiceHash, Brains Pool, and Via BTC. Do some research and choose the one that's right for you. Once you have chosen the right hardware and selected the mining pool, now it's time to set up your mining rig. Start by connecting your ASIC miner to your internet and power source. Once your miner is turned on and connected to the internet, you will need to use a laptop or desktop computer to connect to it. You will need to use an IP address tool to find the miner's IP address. Once you have the miner's IP address, you can connect to your miner and start changing settings. Make sure to enter your mining pool's information so that you can start mining cryptocurrency with your mining pool. Once everything is set up, all that's left to do is start mining. Your miner will automatically start solving equations and sending the results to the mining pool. Depending on the power of your mining rig and the current difficulty of the Bitcoin network, you should start to see rewards rolling in. Finally, be sure to monitor your mining operation regularly. Check your mining pool's website to see how much Bitcoin you've mined and to make sure everything is running smoothly. You want to check this often because if your machine encounters any errors, you want to solve those to continue earning Bitcoin rewards. And there you have it. That's how you can mine Bitcoin from home. Remember, mining can be competitive, so don't be discouraged if you don't see results right away. With the right hardware and a little bit of patience, you can start earning some Bitcoin from home. If you have questions on anything mentioned in this video or questions that pertain to cryptocurrency mining, please reach out to us. And as always, like and subscribe for more content on cryptocurrency.